morning. How do you do? Welcome back to another vlog. I just made a video. Yes, I just finished filming a video on things that we have to change, things that we forget to change. It's a video, it's a reminder. Yeah, I'm reminding us that the year is going to an end, so we have to do away with most of the things that needs to be changed. Yeah, so today is Monday. I'm already late. It's 8:42. I am going to the office, and then from there we'll go to town to go and get 1 or 2 bits. So I'll see you when I see you, guys. I want to outsource my banku. Yes, I want to have banku and okra soup. For the okra soup, I'll come to prepare it myself, but my neighbor has the niece of my neighbor, who is a student, they are on vacation, so I'm going to beg her to make the banku for me because I am not well. I am not well, but I have to work to put soul and body together. But lately I have decided that the things that I cannot do, I'll gladly, without shame, yeah, I'll gladly outsource. When I was younger, I used to feel that some people are lazy. This thing, instead of them doing it, they want to outsource, they want to give it out. But right now, I understand. I now understand, and I wish that I had been doing those things long ago, because I would go to the market and I'll be carrying the foodstuffs. I'll be carrying things like a mad woman. Who gives award for those things? I used to think that I am a virtuous woman. I am that Proverbs chapter 31 woman. And look at me here. Those things, they don't pay. If you can outsource, oh yeah, outsource and be free and live your life. Yes, you have to be free. You have to live your life. So the things that you cannot do, do it. Give them out to someone to do it. Yesterday, one woman walked here and said, Pacho misi niyama. She said when she washes, yeah, she hand wash. So she was moving from house to house looking for a job. And I say I have a washing machine, because if I don't have a washing machine, I would have subscribed to her services. If you can afford it, please release that stress, release those stress from your body. Cry, outsource. Why outsource? This is the outfit of the day, and I'm going to pair it with this bracelet. Yeah. So when I meet someone, I'll let the person put it around my wrist for me, like that. So back to what I was saying. Right now, I have learned my mistakes, and I have realized that it is not good. Right now, I don't judge. I don't judge because I have reasoned foolishly before. Right now, I see life differently. Sometimes poverty can make you spew nonsense. Yeah, you start talking nonsense. You will not be making sense. Yeah, sometimes out of poverty you will say many things, and then ignorance and to know you want to be seen to be our papa. You are hardworking, you are this. So even what you cannot do, you will force yourself to do. If you are younger, please take this advice. You are not going to be awarded any certificate, any degree in hard working. Nobody is going to acknowledge. The highest you can get is thank you. This girl, you are good. This girl, you are forceful. This girl, you are hardworking. That's all. So the things you cannot do, Please outsource. I've learned my lessons though. I've learned my lessons right now. The body is tired. I am weak. I've overused my body. Right now my waist my waist is dying maker. The least I do, my waist. The least I do, my waist. So please, if you are younger, take my advice. Why? I've not seen a regional capital that has bad roads as Koforidua. Hey, Koforidua roads. They will shock the absorbers of your car. The absorbers in your car will be shocked by the roads in Koforidua. And instead of them to fix them properly, no, they did that from, I think, from Estate Junction to town. Estate Junction to B Foster traffic lights and then to town. The rest, they are patching. The rest of the roads, they are patching. No. Let me flip the camera for you to see. Koforidua. Everywhere in Koforidua. This is how the place look like. Regional capital. Wow. Is this one not a manhole? This one, is it not a manhole? Look. Say, 100. I love to see small businesses either plowing back profits or investing more to advance the business or their businesses. This shop, for instance, in 2020 when I came to Koforidua, any of the sale attendants could sell to you and take the money, but now their payment system is centralized, so you just have to queue to pay, and then you bring the receipts to the ladies here for them to give out whatever you have paid for to you. Again, this shop was into only frozen foods, but now they have realized that after buying the fish or the meat, you go and buy oil for the frying, you buy tomato paste for the stew, you buy spices, you buy rice, you buy this. So they have made the shop a one-stop shop for such products. I've not bought any other product apart from the proteins from this shop, but I want to believe that their prices are either the same as that of other places or comparatively cheaper. On market days, that's Mondays and Thursdays, I love to buy from the women who do not have a permanent place for selling, because their products are way cheaper than those who have a permanent place. I bought these plantains for 10 cedis, 9 fingers for 10 cedis, but with the other group it would have been either 6, 7 or 8, at most 7. And even with the 7, they will be praising themselves, they will be tickling themselves and be laughing. Madam, I have told, so I have given you jara, whereas they know in the deepest of their hearts that they are cheating you. Na papa ni esen. Papa no me no fight. Mama no fight. Mindi ne njude. Mo roba mo didi jade. got back to prepare okra soup to match the banku, and these are the fishes I got. The red fish, I have cleaned them. God willing, tomorrow I'll make some light soup. It's been over 2 weeks since I ate fufu, so I want to resume. I don't know why, I just completely lost appetite for fufu. That's why I've not had it for that long time. And then the rest of the banla. So let me show you the banku. Okay, you know, I had 6 balls. I should have given her double the emori, but all the same. Right here I have my okra soup that is doing super good. Kilo, they believe me when I tell you, say by the end of the day I had just a ball of the bankun left. I gave 2 to 2 of my neighbors, so I was left with only 1 after eating 1. So the following day I had to prepare another banku, but this time by myself, because the girl obviously might have been doing something else and I didn't want to bother her so much. I want to say thank you so much for sticking and staying with me. If you have not learned anything at all in this vlog, remember that I said the things you can't do, the things you can outsource, please do it and save your energy. I'm talking from experience. I'll see you again in my next video tomorrow.